Let's briefly check how this is set up in the editor. Going back to the editor, we head to the relevant page, open the Layers panel, and open the section called Self-Profiling. We open the container called Self-Profiling Image and see that we have a container plus a black and white image at the bottom, which we see here on the canvas, an animation trigger line again, and a container called Transition Color 1. Selecting the Transition Color 1 container, we see that the width is set to 100 viewport width and the height is set to 100 viewport height. It's docked to the bottom and docked to the left with a distance of minus 100 viewport width. Opening the Animations panel, we see a moving animation that is triggered by the animation trigger line. Let me open the settings. The Transition Color 1 container is moving out at an angle of 90 degrees with a distance of 100 viewport width and has an animation area of 50 to 100%. Let's select the animation trigger line and we see that scrolling this animation trigger line initiates the move animation on the Transition Color 1 container. As you see on the live side, it looks really great.